Ramayana Kalpavrksam.
Namaskaram. Sri Ramachandraji of Ayodhya has always been precious and most venerable to all of us over millennia. We are all happy in telling and retelling the Ramayana as storytellers, listeners and viewers. An itihasa that continues to inspire seers, artists, scholars across millennia. Our civilization's engagement with Lord Rama and Ramayana has been a continuing and ongoing immersion in Lord Sri Rama, for it is a repository of Bharat Desha's very soul. The knowledge it thrives with, that epoch was so advanced that even the modern society today is struggling to understand what consciousness is. Lord Rama, Mother Sita and Lakshmanji, when they were going through that Vanavasam, their main topic of discussion was cetana, consciousness. Rishi Vasisth Muni's Sanhita is all about consciousness. The dialogue between King Janaka and Ashtavakra is all about consciousness. It was the topic of those days to discuss consciousness, to dissect what consciousness is all about. Today's science is not even able to pinpoint the direction in which, what is the field of consciousness, what supports a consciousness, what is consciousness. The scientists are still struggling to define consciousness. Anyway, that is our inheritance and we should be proud of it. Every lesson for mankind can be found in Ramayana. From the time of Sri Ramachandraji himself till today, Ramayana, the living story, continues to bring us closer to understanding our own nature, aspiring to godhood, becoming veritably the Kalpavrksam, the life-giving tree that bestows this nation with continued blessings and insights, a hoary and glorious heritage that informs the very collective consciousness of not just India, but global. Lord Sri Rama has always been the life breath and soul of India. When we have Rama Cetana, we know we are on the right path. Today, every child needs to be aware of Lord Rama, how, in spite of all the travails he faced, his commitment to truth and dharma is an eternal lesson for mankind. Knowing Lord Rama means to know what he stood for, his values, his lifestyle. I am delighted to know that renowned classical dancer and speaker Dr. Ananda Shankar Jain has curated and presented this wonderful 3-day festival, Ramayana Kalpavrksam, in Hyderabad, a veritable mosaic of our sacred arts, thought-provoking talks and immersive arts workshops, all presenting a peek into that magnum opus, Ramayana. An extraordinary galaxy of artists and speakers spanning the rich intellectual and cultural tapestry of Bharat Desha have shared their knowledge and artistry. Even the program titles Rama Rasa, Rama Mitta, and so beautiful named and uplifting, we are indeed lucky to be alive and witness Bharat's rise in this Amrit Kalam. The next 25 years from now to India at 100 years in August 2047 is truly a precious and important era. When the world is looking towards us, Now is the time for every one of us to learn, know, and our own precious heritage and culture and incomparable legacy of centuries. Therefore, festivals such as Ramayana Kalpavrksam help ignite in us our dormant cultural and civilisational knowledge and awareness. I am delighted to know that a wonderful group of dedicated organizations such as Shankarananda Kalakshetra Natyarambha and Brhat have got together to actualize this unique festival that brings under one Kalpavrksam all things Ramayana. I see that there were excellent classical and popular music and dance programs by renowned artists and scintillating talks and discussions by well-known speakers. I am happy that youth are also getting to learn Sanskrit, arts and dance in special workshops, and our handicrafts are also being showcased. Festivals such as Ramayana Kalpavrksam are excellent ways to learn about our unique heritage. My hearty congratulations to the organizers, speakers, artists, and the audience of Ramayana Kalpavrksam. And I hope that this endeavor will continue in other cities and over the next few decades. May God bless us all. Thank you.